Shelfit Inventory Management is a simple and powerful tool for managing your inventory and workers. We tried to make it as flexible as possible, so we used the folders and product structure. This way you can choose the hierarchy structure that meets your needs. With folders you can keep your inventory organized. A folder can be used as a warehouse in case you have many warehouses. It also can be used as a category to simplify your inventory management. The folder and product can keep all the data that you need, including the high-resolution images. For the companies that work with multiple users, our system can be very useful, because it has built-in real-time synchronization across all your devices. When some of the product's quantity is getting low, those products will be shown up in the separate category called notifications. This way you will never have a lack of products. The app enables you to work faster, using the Swift Action tool. Just scan the barcode, and make an action with the related product. In order to fit any inventory of any business, we have added the option to add additional fields to each product or folder. To optimize the search, any product or folder can be categorized using labels. There is an option for the manager to add the permissions, so the user can have access to the specific folders only. In addition to all above, there is a simple way to import and export your inventory to or from Excel documents. Shelfit, the most efficient way to organize your inventory.